I'm Maria, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And in today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet simple cord made in 3D style. Let's crochet a lace cord. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My ring is ready. Let's crochet the first segment. Pull up the working loop to the level of the puff stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. In total it should be 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Continue. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring and make puff stitch made of 5 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. My first segment is ready. Next time I will show you how to crochet the second and the third segment. I will repeat them. My pattern consists of 2 segments. So keep working. Let's crochet the second segment. Make a chain and pull it. Turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make a slip stitch. Pull up the working loop. Make 5 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through. Make a chain. Then chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make 5 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull through to make a chain. Continue. Make chain of 9 for the chain space. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Let's look at my segment. I skip these 2 puff stitches. Insert the hook between puff stitches in the lower row. Make a slip stitch and pull it. Make a chain. Turn the work in this way. I always turn the work in one direction. Work into the chain space. Make slip stitch with chain. I will count only slip stitches. Make slip stitch with chain 13 times. Let's count 1, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7 and chain, 8 and chain, 9 and chain, 10 and chain, 11 and chain, 12 and chain, 13. I do not make a chain last time. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch. Pull up the working loop. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is the front side of my project. Let's look at my ready lace tape cord, and I remind you I will repeat the second and the third segment. This is the second in the third segment. And now I show you how to crochet the third segment. I'm done 2 of them. I continue working on my cord. I'm working on the back side of the project. Pull up the working loop. Work with puff stitches. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Then chain of 3 for the chain space and puff stitch one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. This is the back side of the project. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn the work to the front side. I skip this row, insert the hook into the previous row, insert the hook between puff stitches, insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch, make a chain, turn the work. I turn the work in one direction, work into the chain space, make slip stitch with chain 13 times. I will count only slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I do not make a chain after the last slip stitch, and I remind you I counted only slip stitches. Continue working. This is the front side of the project. Work into the chain space, make slip stitch, pull up the working loop, and let's stop and look what I have done. I have done the third segment. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills. You just need to know how to make puff stitches, slip stitches, and make some chains. And I remind you, you should repeat the second and the third segment. And next time I will show you how to crochet the second segment. Then you should continue working with your own. It is going to be the fourth one. It will be like a second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through, make a chain, make a puff stitch. Chain of 3 for the chain space, make the next puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through, make a chain. Continue chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook in the lower row. Insert the hook around the chain space, make a slip stitch. Then make a chain, turn the work, and make 13 slip stitches. Let's count with chain. I count only slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 13. I do not do my chain. This is the back side of my cord. Insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch. Before continue, I stop at this point and let's look. I have done 4 segments. I remind you, I've done this segment as the second one. Let's crochet the 5th one. It is going to be like a third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through, make a chain to complete the puff stitch. Let's crochet the next puff stitch. For this, make chain of 3 and work with the next puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull through, make a chain. I'm working on the back side of the project. Make chain of 9 for the chain space. Turn the work to the front side. I skip this one, insert the hook into the previous one, make a slip stitch, chain, and turn the work. Make 13 slip stitches with chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Work into the chain space, make a slip stitch, and you can crochet the next segment. I have done 5 segments. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't repeat the first segment. I repeated the second and the third segments. Pattern consists of 2 segments. So continue working as many times as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to complete it. My cord is almost ready, I just need to finish it. Now I show you how to complete my project. Once I have done the last slip stitch into the chain space, to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn. I left 11 pieces of yarn to join stuff for the jewelry. Let's stop and look what I have done. That's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks on the back side, and this is front. This cord made in 3D crochet style. Pattern consists of 2 segments. I repeated the second and the third one. It is very quick to make project, so you don't need a lot of time. You can use it like a decoration or jewelry, or it could be part of big project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. You can use cotton yarn to create this project or wool yarn, it depends. What yarn do you like? Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and bye!